If you're new to Forex and you're asking what is the London session in trading, this is the most important answer you'll get. The London session is the single biggest reason traders make or lose money in this market. 80% of daily price action happens here in one 2-hour window, and most beginners trade right through it without knowing. Here's the problem most new traders have. By the time New York opens at 8 a.m. Eastern, London has already moved 80 to 120 pips on the majors. If you only trade your local hours, you miss the move. The fix is to know the window. Trade the 2-hour slot between 3 and 5 a.m. Eastern. That's when institutional flow hits and the daily trend is born. Step 1 to using the London session. Before London opens, you need to know the battleground. Mark the Asian session range, the high and the low, from 7 p.m. to 3 a.m. Eastern. Narrow range, low volume, sleepy price action. We don't trade Asia. We trade what happens when London breaks the range that Asia just built overnight. So draw 2 clean lines and wait for the open. Step 2. At 3 a.m. Eastern, London opens. And this is the moment everything changes. We wait for a 15-minute candle to close outside the Asian range. Closes above the high, the bias is long. Closes below the low, the bias is short. If no candle closes outside, no trade. Impatience kills more retail accounts than patience ever did. Step 3. This is the rule that makes London session trading work. Do not chase the breakout. You wait for the retest. Price almost always comes back to test the level it just broke. Enter on that retest with a confirmation candle, bullish engulfing for longs, bearish pin bar for shorts. This rule alone cuts false breakouts by 60%. If you skip the retest, you are guessing and you will lose. Step 4. Stop loss goes just beyond the opposite end of the Asian range, not arbitrary, structural. Take profit at a minimum of 1 to 2 risk reward. That means risk 30 pips to make 60. Anything tighter than 1.2 is not worth taking. If the trade cannot hit a 2R target before structure breaks, you skip it entirely. Quick note before the live examples, the kill zone moves fast, so you need an account safety layer running. I use Trade Guardian on MT5. It auto-closes your trades and locks the account the moment you hit your daily loss limit. One bad session can't blow you up. Click the link in the description below. Now back to the setup. Real example from last Wednesday on USD CHF. The Asian session held a tight range between 0.8820 and 0.8844, about 24 pips. At 3:10 a.m. Eastern, London opened and price closed above 0.8844. We didn't lift a finger, we waited. By 3:40 a.m., price came back, retested 0.8844, printed a clean bullish engulfing, and we entered long at 0.8847. Stop loss at 0.8817. Target at 0.8907. Target hit in under 2 hours. 53 pips on a 30 pip risk textbook. Now the loss. EUR AUD broke its Asian high at 3:25 a.m. Price shot higher and never gave a retest. We slipped, chased the candle, broke the rule, and got stopped out 20 pips later when it reversed. This is exactly why the retest is the rule we never break. Without it, you're gambling. We ran this on the majors over the last 6 months. 100 trades, strict rules, 0 discretion, the honest numbers. Win rate, 70%. Profit factor, 2.3. Every dollar risked came back as 230. Net result, 1,450 pips. On a 1% risk per trade, that is about a 28% return in 6 months. Let's recap what the London session is and how to trade it. Mark the Asian range from 7 p.m. to 3 a.m. Eastern. Wait for the 3 a.m. breakout candle to close outside the range. Enter only on the retest. Risk 1, target 2. Skip red news days like CPI or NFP. Skip if the Asian range is under 25 pips. That's the whole answer. If you got value, hit that like button and grab the Trade Guardian link in the description. And subscribe to the channel. That's how you'll know the moment we test the next strategy. See you in the next one.